We're here at Innovation Park. Let's go check out how technology is pushing healthcare forward. I'm here with Eva from Barcelona and Madrid Health Hub. You're exhibiting at ISE for the first time. What brings you to the show?
Because healthcare ecosystem is facing a lot of challenges, and technology is one of the key cornerstones. Audiovisual technologies are very important to the healthcare ecosystem and facing its challenges. And Barcelona startups and companies are raising a lot of capital for making this impact in healthcare ecosystem. That's why we thought that ISE, Integrated System Europe, is going to help us to exhibit and show how important it is to innovate in audiovisual technologies for the healthcare system.
Yeah. Barcelona and Madrid Health Hub, you talk a lot about patient thinking. That's an initiative where you want to bring technology to improve the experience for patients. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
At the end, the end users of the technologies in healthcare are the patients. So the new technologies can enable them to control much better their health status, telemonitoring, improve the communication between the professionals, the clinicians, and the patients, and they can have, at the end, we want to promote a best human health care services. And that's why patient has to be in the center.
You're located at the Innovation Hub area. There are a lot of startups around you. What is the atmosphere like? What other connections are you making?
We are bringing with us more than 150 people working in innovation technologies and telecommunication technologies for the healthcare services. And we are providing to our members to exhibit their solutions. Is a great opportunity to them. So we want to communicate and spread the message that technology has to be on the center of the healthcare system.
Now, obviously, healthcare is very important, and we would like the connection that you've made with ISE to last longer than just the show days. How do you think that ISE is going to help you guys just make sure that the impact is felt throughout the year in the healthcare sector and that people know more about the role that technology plays?
We strongly believe that from this day on, we are going to foster a lot of connections, new alliances, and technologies and industries and different partners and different roles are going to make deals and to achieve some agreements in order to real transferring the technology to the healthcare ecosystem according to the healthcare challenges. So we are starting now, but these conversations are going to keep longer during all the year, and we hope to be here the next year as well.
Eva, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks to you. It was my pleasure.
What do you guys do for the healthcare sector?
We are a primary health center, so we are in care of the health of the population living in Barcelona, and we are very much concerned about the demographic challenges posed by the fact that we are living longer, so people are eldering with more chronic diseases and disabilities. So we have to transform the kind of care we provide. So in mind and in present time, what we have is the creation of the primary health center of the 21st century, which means using digital technology to provide a better attention, improve the quality of the attention, and digitalize, which means saving times, which means optimizing processes and providing a better health for all.
And how has your experience been at ISE? Have you made connections? Have you seen other technology?
We are very happy to be here. We had the opportunity to meet many companies which are interested on this project we have. We also made a speech that attracted a lot of people. We are contacting also authorities, entrepreneurs, so we are very, very happy to be here, and we thank ICI to have the opportunity to give us this presence.
Jordi, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Hello, Santi.
Hello.
You're from HealthTech Innovations.
Yes.
And you're bringing VR to healthcare.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Yeah, well, we have noticed that doctors are working since since 100 years, like the same,
Yeah.
I would say, right? So we're bringing a bit of innovation. We're not just bringing VR, we're bringing the physical module with a little engine, as you can see around here, okay? That you can display a experience to 15, for example, VRs at the same time, right? What this means is that you can bring it to trainings for new doctors, for example. We as well make the software. We are working as well with some big companies right now that we have made some, for example, a heart software, so the doctors can actually use the VR to train and actually physically touch some words and bringing it to the heart. So this is a training that we're doing right now, for example. Another product that we are doing right now, it's some relaxation software with relaxing music for example, children with cancer. Yep. Instead of having 4 hours of chemo looking at the mobile or other things, they can have other distractions. And yeah, that would be our biggest accomplishment here.
And how has your experience been at ISE? Have you had a lot of success? Are people interested?
Yeah, there's a lot of people interested, really. Yeah, they don't know exactly what we're doing at first.
Yeah.
But then I have to explain it a bit, and then they start to realizing that we have a good product and there's future for it, and yeah, why not change a bit of the healthcare industry and bring a bit more of innovation into it, right?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for your time,
Santi.
Santi.
Thank you so much. Thank you.